The question is, when you're learning in a manual car, when should you change gear? Many comments, many learners or many audience, many viewers, they make comments saying that, when should I change gear? I don't know when to change gear. First of all, when you're driving a manual car, one of the most important things you need to learn is to change gear. And you need to know when to change gear. And the way you do that is, you need to know you change gear according to the speed. The speed that you are driving will depend on the gear that you need. You must remember that, and you must know that. Otherwise, you're going to get confused. You don't know when to change gear. In the beginning, especially if you don't understand or no one tells you, it will be difficult for you to know when to change gear. Okay? So first of all, you need to know when to change gear and at what speed. So first of all, you move the car on which gear? First gear. Soon as you reach 10 miles per hour, you go to second gear. You go to 20, you go to third gear. And from 20 to 30, third gear, unless it's a long stretch of road and you know that you're going to be driving for a while, go to fourth gear. Let me repeat. You move off on first gear. Soon as you moved off, your speed goes to 10, you go to second gear. You go to 20, you go to third gear. And from 20 to 30, you leave it to third gear, unless it's a long stretch of road and you know that you're going to be driving for a while, go to fourth gear. Because otherwise, if you are driving on third gear and you're on 30 and you know that traffic light coming up or at the end of the road coming up and you know that you're going to be stopping over there or slowing over there, what's the point of changing gear? So if it's a long stretch, go to fourth. If not, leave it to third, even if you're driving 30. Is that okay? So that's how you change gear up. What about down? So say you're driving on 30 and you're in fourth gear. It's a long stretch of road. You know that there's a problem coming up, maybe somebody crossing the road. So what do? You know that you have to slow the car. So you look at the mirror and you cover the brake and you gently brake. You brake and you slow. Now the car slows. The person now crossed the road. You don't have to stop anymore because they've crossed the road now. What do? You look at the speed, and according to the speed, you change gear. So you were in 30 in fourth gear. So in fourth gear on 30, and somebody crossing the road, they've crossed now. Now your speed is 20. What do? Go to third gear. Your speed is 10. What do? Go to second gear. Your speed is under 10. What do? Go to first gear. Do you get it? So if you know what gear is for which speed, it's easier for you to come down. Okay? So you are driving 30 on fourth gear, slow the car for some reason, look at the speed, and according to the speed, go down to that gear. Under 10, first gear, on 10, second gear, on 20, third gear, and that's how it works. Okay, let's go and do some driving. Hi, if you are learning to drive or you are training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you. So if you're a learner, we have an online course for you for manual and automatic. And if you're training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you for your ADI Part 2 and ADI Part 3. Please check the description for the links of the courses. Have a look and have a read. If you like it, you could always join the course. So you get to understand, okay? Driving a manual car, your gear is one of the most important for you to know, for you to understand, so that you know exactly when to change gear. Okay, mirror, second gear, because my speed is 10. Okay, I'm going to stop here. Good. Go to first gear. So now I stopped. What gear? First gear. Okay, I'm going to wait here. There's another van coming. I'm going to wait, see what they do. When you're waiting, be patient and wait. Okay, remember you chose to drive and you know that it's going to be other cars on the road. Be patient. If you're not patient, you're going to be dangerous for others, for yourself and for others. There's another car coming. It's all about patient. This is going to challenge your patience when you're waiting. Just wait. You have to go somewhere really quickly. Well, you can't. There's a car over there. So you have to deal with road problems before you go. So wait and see, okay? Mirror. I don't have to signal because my car position was the signal, okay? Now, around 10, second gear. So when I 10, average, okay? 9, 10, 11, 12, second gear. Okay, mirror, 20, third gear. Done. Mirror, I'm going to go right next road. Mirror, signal right. Now I'm slowing the car. There's a car coming. Speed around 10, near to 10, yeah, around 13, second gear. Look into the road, go. Good. So how did I know which gear I needed? For me to go left and right is best around 10, 15, which means go down to second gear. I'm going to go right. I'm going to stop here. Stop, go to first gear. So if I stop, first gear, look around, give gas, and I go. As soon as I reach around 10, 11, 12, second gear. Done. Is that okay? Done. Mirror, 20, third gear. Done. And 20 to 30, this speed is 20, this road is 20. If you was 30, I would have left it to third gear because a lot of problem, van coming. I'm going to go stop around here. Stop here. Okay? Now I stop. What gear do I need first? The van is going to wait, is it? No. They're going to come. Okay? First gear. So when I stop fully, first gear. As soon as I move off around 10, what do I do? Second gear. Look around. When the van is gone, done. Now speed around 10, mirror, second gear. So as soon as you move off, bring the clutch up, go around 10, 12, go to second gear. Okay? Now I'm going to leave it to second gear because I'm going to go right over there. It's not too, could have gone to third gear. I'm just going to wait. Mirror, I'm going to go right. Signal right. Slow the car. Push into first gear. Done. Because I stop, first gear. Go around. The van can't come in unless I go. So I'm going to go slowly. Done. Mirror. Second gear. Why? Speed is now 10. Actually 12, yeah? Mirror. 20. Third gear. Done. I'm going to go right next. Mirror. Signal right. For me to go right, I need to get the speed down around 10, 15 and go to which gear? Which gear is that? Second gear. Done. Why? Because speed around 10, 12 is second gear, right? Mirror, give gas, show the second gear. When the speed is around 20, what do I do now? Mirror, third gear. Done. For some reason, if I slow the car here, what am I going to do? Off gas, cover the brake. There's nobody behind. So I'm going to brake. So now the problem is gone. I look at the speed, it's 12, second gear. Okay? It was third. I slowed the car for some reason. The problem is gone. Look at the speed. If it's 10, 12, go to second gear. Mirror. Okay. First gear, because I stopped. Go around. Go. Done. Mirror. Second gear. Why? Speed is around, is 14. So, okay. Mirror is 20. Third gear. Good. So when I say 10, average 10, okay? So 10, 12, 13, second gear, okay? 20, third gear. I'm going to go right. Mirror, signal right. Slow the car. First gear. I stop, first gear. I go, okay? Mirror, second gear. Why? Speed is now 14. Yeah? Mirror, speed is 20. Third gear. And I can't drive more than 20 here because this road is 20. If it was 30, I would have gone to 30 and gone to maybe fourth gear. It's a long stretch road. There's a car coming. Mirror, slow the car. Just slow. They're gone now. Mirror. Speed is okay. Third gear is fine. Around 20, third gear is fine. If it was 10, I would have gone to second gear. Or 10, 12. Yeah? You get that? So make sure you remember to understand what gear do you need for the speed that you're driving. Your gear depending on the speed that you are driving. Okay? Once you get that, once you understand that, then it will be easy for you to know when to change gear. I get many comment on my channel actually saying that I don't know when to change gear. When should I change gear? I get confused when to go up gear, when to go down gear. And I say that the answer is get to know the speed you need for the gear, or the gear that you need for the speed that you're driving. Okay, and like I said, I'm just going to repeat one more time before we finish. You move off on first gear, around 10, 15, go to second gear, then go to 20, go to third gear, and from 20 to 30, if it's a long stretch of road, go to fourth gear. If not, leave it to third gear. I hope that answers the question. If you need extra help on Learn to Drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs. The course will give you everything you need for you to learn and for you to pass your driving test. It has everything you need. I will leave a link in the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. If you like it, you could always join the course. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.